Hi everyone, this is Tiffany and Nova with Easy Toddler Hairstyles, and today we are bringing you a really fun and special collaboration. We are collaborating with May Lopez. She has actually also got a little girl's hair channel. So we are doing a hairstyle inspired by her. She was originally inspired by blonde hair and curls, which is on Instagram. But we first saw this style on her account. So the style today is some really fun blocked off parting into pigtails.
Let's get started!
Start by parting the hair out, and I'm just going to part it on either side utilizing this middle section. So I'm going to part it out on the left and then on the right, and if you notice my parts are kind of off, and so I see that after the fact, so I'm going to come back to the left and part it off again. This is just showing you that I don't always part it out perfect the first time. Sometimes you have to go back and correct. And then we're going to part it at the back of the crown, and I'm going to loosely secure this area for now. This back area, I'm just going to spray down with some water and spray gel. I'm going to split it directly down the middle, and then we are going to create two low pigtails at the nape of the neck. I like to do the pigtails before I do the front section, just so they are out of the way. We are going to come back to our front section now. And we are going to start by making a deep side part above the eyebrow, leaving about 1/4 of the hair on the right. I'm going to come back about 1 inch to 1.5 inches and go all the way across to the other side. And then I'm just going to comb this out in the front and in the back as well, and then put a ponytail clear over to that far side. This is where we are going to start our blocked parting. So I'm going to come directly back behind the middle of that first section, and I'm going to come back about 1 inch, and then I'm simply going to come over all the way to the edge of the section so I get kind of a V-shaped section. And then I'm just going to comb this out and secure it in the back right hand corner. We're just going to repeat this again. I'm going to come back to the middle of this section and come back about 1 inch, and then we're going to part over to the left. So you're getting this fun blocked or brick type parting. And then I'm going to add this front ponytail to the back one and secure in that back left corner. Now here's the last one that we are going to do. I'm going to come down the middle and then part it across like I did on the other side and incorporate the rest of the hair. Now I realized in my original style that I incorporated all of the hair into this back right side ponytail, all of the hair that I had left. When I filmed the tutorial for it, instead of coming all the way across, I came halfway across. So I had this extra little bit, so I had to pull out the pigtail and then secure. So you can use the rest of the hair across on that right section, or you can take it out and put it in the pigtail. I hope that makes sense. And then we're just going to connect these two ponytails to the pigtails, and that is our finished style. We are going to do one more spin to show you what it looks like. Like I said in my other picture, we took that last section and we went all the way across, so we incorporated all the hair. It looks really cute either way. It's just personal preference. We hope that you'll head over and subscribe to May Lopez and see some of the cute hairstyles that she has. We also hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and you'll join us each week for a new tutorial or check out our archive of tons of little girls' hairstyles. See you later.
Hi everybody. Bye.